Hello everyone, this is second video of chapter 4th. In this video, we will discuss question number 1st, 3rd and 4th. Question number 1st. Om and Sham are sharing profits and losses equally. With effect from 1st April 2021, they agreed to share profits in the ratio of 4:3. Calculate individual partners' gain or sacrifice due to the change in ratio. So Om and Sham were two partners. Old profit sharing ratio was equal and new profit sharing ratio is 4:3. Old profit sharing ratio was 1:1, and according to this, old profit share of Om was 1/2, and according to new ratio, new profit share of Om is 4/7. Now we'll calculate Ohm's sacrifice or gain. The formula is old profit share minus new profit share. आपके ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर में से आप न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयर माइनस कर दोगे तो आंसर विल बी 1/14. That is negative. And negative means new profit share is more than old profit share. So it is a gain. Similarly, old profit share of Sham was 1/2. New profit share of Sham is 3/7. Sham's sacrifice or gain is equal to old minus new. Old was 1/2. New is 3/7. And the answer is 1/14. It is positive. It means old share was more than the new share. So it's a sacrifice. अगर आपका आंसर माइनस में आता है तो इट्स अ गेन. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो आपका न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयर है वो ओल्ड से ज़्यादा था, इसलिए नेगेटिव आंसर है. अगर आपका आंसर पॉजिटिव आता है तो इट विल बी अ सेक्रीफाइस. इट मीन्स आपकी जो ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर था वो न्यू से ज़्यादा था. So this is your question number first. Now question number third. XYZ are sharing profits and losses in ratio 5:3. With effect from 1st April 2021, they decide to share profits and losses equally. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to the change in ratio. So old ratio was 5:3 and new ratio is equal. This was the old profit sharing ratio and this is the new profit sharing ratio. First of all, X sacrifice or gain is equal to old minus new. That will be 530 sacrifice. Y sacrifice or gain is equal to old minus new. That will be minus 1/30 gain. And Z sacrifice gain is equal to old minus new. That will be minus 4/30 gain. This is your question number third. Now question number fourth. You can see there are 4 cases in question number 4th. We will discuss case number 1st, 2nd and 4th. ABC are partners sharing profits and losses in ratio of 5:4:1. Calculate new profit sharing ratio, sacrifice ratio and gaining ratio in each of the following cases. Case 1. As per the new agreement, C acquires 1/5 share from A. इसका मतलब ये है कि सी ने 1/5 जो है वो एक्वायर किया है, लेकिन सिर्फ ए से ही एक्वायर किया है. सो ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो ऑफ ए बी सी वॉज 5:4:1. सी एक्वायर्स फ्रॉम ए 1/5. ए's ओल्ड शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट वॉज 5/10. ए सेक्रीफाइस इज 1/5. अगर उन्होंने ये लिखा है दैट सी एक्वायर्स फ्रॉम ए, इट मीन्स ए हैज सेक्रीफाइस 1/5 टू सी. सी ने ए से लिया या ए ने सी को दिया, एक ही बात है. तो एज न्यू शेयर विल बी ओल्ड माइनस सेक्रीफाइस. ओल्ड वॉज 5/10, सेक्रीफाइस इज 1/5, तो एज न्यू शेयर विल बी 3/10. बीज न्यू शेयर विल बी सेम एज बीज ओल्ड शेयर. बी ने ना तो कोई गेन किया है और ना ही कोई सेक्रीफाइस किया है, तो बी का पुराना शेयर ही उसका नया शेयर रहेगा. दैट विल बी 4/10. C's old profit share was 1/10. C ने A से एक्वायर किया 1/5. So C's new profit share will be old plus gain. Old 1/10 था, gain किया उसने 1/5. New share of C will be 3/10 and new profit sharing ratio will be 3/10, 4/10, 3/10 is equal to 3, 4 and 3. This is case number first. Now case number second. As per the new agreement, C acquires 1/5 share equally from A and B. तो इसमें मिला C को 1/5 ही है, लेकिन उसने दोनों से हाफ हाफ लिया है, A और B से. तो C acquires from A 1/2 of 1/5. 1/2 का half is equal to 1/10 and similar share C has taken from B 1/10. A's new is equal to old minus sacrifice 5/10. A का old share था 1/10 उसने C को दे दिया. Remaining will be his new share 4/10. Similarly 4/10 B का old था 1/10 sacrifice किया 3/10 is B's new share. C's new share old plus gain 1/10 was C's old share. C has gained from A and B both 1/10, 1/10 each. So C's new share is 3/10 and new profit sharing ratio is 4:3:3. Case number 4. As per new agreement, C acquires 1/10 share of A and 1/2 share of B. इसका ये मतलब है कि C ने A के शेयर का 1/10 लिया और B के शेयर का 1/2 लिया. तो C acquires from A A's share into 1/10 is equal to 5/100. This is C's gain and A's sacrifice. Similarly, C acquires from B 4/10 into 1/2 is equal to 4/20. This is C's gain from B and B's sacrifice to C. A's new is equal to old minus sacrifice. A's old was 5/10, sacrifice 5/100, new will be 45/100. B's old was 4/10, sacrifice is 4/20, B's new will be 4/20. C's old was 1/10, gain 5/100 from A and 4/20 from B. So total 35/100 is C's new share. Ratio of ABC will be 45/100, 4/20 and 35/100. We'll take the LCM 100 and the new ratio will be 45, 20, 35 or 9, 4, 7. So this is your fourth question. Thank you.